was going to take my camera, but then I don't really want to carry it if I'm going to Chinatown and going on the skateboard. I also have a 360 camera, so I can also do a vlog with that, but I will try to do it with the GoPro and the 360. So let's do back-to-back type of thing. Alright, let's see how it goes. Never know. Here we go. I only have one battery in this GoPro also. It's at 94% at the moment. Will it last? It should. I mean, I'm not doing much. Smells like cleaning products in here. Alright, it's not that cold. Got enough batteries. Waiting for the train. Gonna be Maddie. Guess I'm going to Mott. Haven Cafe. That way. Right. Cause that's Queens is that way, that's east, that's west. Can I get an almond croissant?
Croissant?
Yeah, the almond.
Almond, okay.
Yep. First meal of the day. 1:51. Waiting for Maddie. She'll be here soon. It's a cute little cafe. Love it. Let's take a quick ride up. I think about 2 blocks, and then I'll get there. This is such a cute place. Haven Cafe. Look who we found. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, daily dose of Maddie. Bye. Here we are at a food court across the street from the doctor that we were at. And I'm getting this, number 63. 89 trio combo. Maddie got Hainanese chicken with rice. But we're gonna have
This
dinner.
is like a third of the price from Urban Hawker.
Is it?
This is like $7.
That's still a lot.
I know. But Urban Hawker was like 20.
That's true. Got this. And this is a Hong Kong latte.
Hong Kong latte?
Yeah. And that's just a regular milk tea. So, we can try it.
Just
Looks
milk
good.
tea.
We just finished. About to go up Bowery and then 3rd Ave. Just need to take out some stuff. And then we're on our way. It's getting dark. The 360 to the test with low lighting. So, got this. And my headset. I mean my earphones. Let's get some music popping. Okay. Let's switch over. 360. My 3rd Ave. Just look at your phone. Your bag's open. It's been a minute, but here we are. It's got the holiday festivities. Feeling like a goddamn tourist right now. Nice, huh? After this, I'm gonna go use the restroom and I'm out. Been a minute since I took the 7 train.